Look, there is lots of tips and tricks in terms of contouring. Obviously, big nose. We want the easiest way to make a big nose look small. Makeup is light and shade. So if you want to push something back or slim it down, darker shade. So on the side of a larger nose, a darker shade down either side with a brighter shade just on the top is essentially what they call contouring, and it's the simple way to explain that. So if you want a rounder face to look more narrow, then you take the darker colour around the sides. So wherever you need to push back, we create shadow that may not naturally be there. Wherever you want to pull forward, you use a bright colour or a highlighter. So you can use the line of a highlighting stick down the centre or bringing forward here. With making eyes bigger, it's all about extending. So making your eyeliner larger on the outside rather than on the inside. So bright colours, shimmery colours to make it look really big, and then accentuating the extremities, so the outer edges, so that they look larger than what they appear to be.